Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video we are going to talk about Trainerize, which is, as they claim, so much more than just a fitness app. We will go through some pros and cons, I'll tell you more about Trainerize and we'll find out what it is all about. So let's start. Trainerize is a personal training and fitness management portal that aims to make fitness accessible to all. It is a cloud-based personal training software that helps personal trainers, health clubs, and other fitness professionals connect with their clientele, based in a seamless manner. With Trainerize, fitness enthusiasts can create workout videos that are on demand and tailor-made for each client. Further, fitness professionals can also depend on the same to plan and build workout templates, create fitness targets, and monitor clients on the go. Trainerize helps them connect with the needs of the clientele. Video coaching, nutrition tracking, and management, habit and lifestyle coaching are some of Trainerize's excellent features. Apart from these, client communication is also delivered seamlessly throughout in-app messaging and automated notification. Besides facilitating business growth, professionals and clubs can also utilize the same to collect payment in real time. Active integrations with third-party platforms like MyFitnessPal, Fitbit, Withide's HealthMate makes the software stand out from the rest. That being said, it's made preferably just for small businesses or for individuals, providing very nice support. And also, you can use it in your web browser and also mobile phone and Android. When we're going to check the pricing, which is in the top right corner, as you can see these three stripes, and you go to pricing, we can see that if you have only one client, or you being the one client of yourself, and you want to track everything with Trainerize, it's completely free. If you want to have like 2 clients, it's $5 a month with up to 2 clients. With Pro, you just go and pick the number of clients you are going to consider in your plan. And then Studio. It's a location-based pricing, depends on how many clients you have, that being 500, or if you want to go straight up with unlimited. It's completely up to you. Then, let's say you want to start. So you just get here and start by your business name. Let's go with Matt King Gym. Email, and you have to go with the password as well. So let's go like this and click on create account. This may start, this may take a few minutes, but we are already in. We don't want to save it. We just want to work in it. Let's go like this. What best describe to you? Lifestyle? Nah. Let's go with personal trainer. Like this. They need the phone number. Like this, which is what type of personal trainer are you? In person, online tracking, working at a club, working independently. So you can go with like this. What type of coaching you deliver? Let's go like this. And also we have to pick the country. Slovakia, and city like this. And here we go. Hopefully it will put us on some map at at Trainerize, and people will try to get back in touch with me. Let's get started. We don't want to do that. And as you can see the setup guide and basically everything in here. But I have to say they have a very similar UI to TrueCoach, but I like this way more. We have an overview, we have the messages. Take into consideration many things are already pre-made by Trainerize. Then we have groups, which we have in here. Example feed. Then appointments. Which is basically your calendar where you can plan the meetings and trainings with each and every person you have included in your Trainerize. Then obviously clients. As you can see, there's only one, but easily we can add a new client, team member, message, or appointment. But let's go with a new client. Email address, Alexa, white, client type, full access, assigned to me, and also me as well, because I don't have any more employees. Add and send invite. As you can see, there is a setup link, but let's check if we received the email and we can basically join our Trainerize account as Alexa. And yeah, I can easily. They already sent us the follow-up, which I really have to say was surprisingly fast. So new password. Like this, you have to agree, and you're here as Alexa. And now you can see basically everything that is up. You have to go with the kilometers and centimeters, weight units, birth of date. Let's go like this. Continue. What are your fitness goals? And you have to go through all of that. So let's just quickly go and fill it out so you can see which also the days. It starts Sunday, but that's so weird for Slovakia. Oh, even if they are asking even if you're a smoker. That's very nice. And like this, you can really send your customers a heads up, and you see that Alexa already have everything set up to be in the training program. We click and open the client's account, or we just go like this, and we can access them the permission or go to training program and basically many more. But I'll show you that in a different video because it will be just too long with no reason. And in MedKing, in our groups also, we can just check everything that we can do in here. But at the moment, as you can see, we are just doing that at Alexa's profile. We have to log back again. And it's really nice, like you can also connect it with your, for example, Fitbits or Apple Watch and track everything with Trainerize, and that's what really counts. So guys, if you have more questions about setting Trainerize, please ask the questions underneath this video. I'll try to answer you as quickly as possible. Up until then, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.